Good morning, everybody, dear interested CITS experts. I'm happy to see you at the second C-Roads webinar, the second international CITS webinar dealing with the urban CITS deployments. Please be aware, this webinar will be recorded. It will be afterwards, the presentations will be available to everybody. So, of course, everybody will also after the webinar have access to our presentations. What we have planned for the upcoming hour is to gain insights from our city representatives, especially from the cities of Bordeaux, city of Hamburg, city of Salzburg, as well as the city of Torino, about the current status of CITS deployments, about their learnings on their CITS deployments, and also on the benefits of having CITS deployed. In addition, as you might know, within C-Roads, we as well have an urban CITS working group where we are really dealing with all the city representatives with the needs of the cities and looking as well on the specifications. Here we will have as well input. What in detail, whom will you get in the upcoming hour? We will start with this introduction on urban CITS provided by Joao Montenegro. Unfortunately, Ligia, our chair of the working group, is not available for today, but I'm happy to welcome Joao from Aramis. This will be followed by a presentation from Eric from the Bordeaux Metropole. So we will have there an insight on the developments and the insights from the city of Bordeaux, followed by Italian expertise provided by Riccardo on the city of Torino. Then we will have a look to the city of Hamburg, where Bernd will provide some insights, followed by the city of Salzburg. Be ensured that we will have reserved the last 20 minutes of this webinar for Q&As. If you have a look on the application itself, on the Zoom application, you will identify most probably at the bottom there is a Q&A button. If you press this Q&A button, I invite you to place your Q&A question. Your Q&A questions will be, on the one hand, be answered by our experts directly in the section, but will as well form the basis for our discussion within the last 20 minutes. Just a few words about C-Roads itself, for those that are not aware of C-Roads. C-Roads, it's a platform of currently 21 European member state representatives, which are looking and harmonizing the deployments all over Europe. CITS deployments in Europe are a reality. That means CITS is operative. We started along the motorways, and we are more and more now focusing on cities and having especially also a look in the front-running cities. The most important word of CITS and the most important letter of CITS is the C of CITS. C stands for cooperation. Cooperation is really key. And that's what C-Roads is doing. It's the cooperation platform, cooperation between authorities, cooperation between road operators, but as well the cooperation with the car industry. Connectivity is an enabler, but the C stands for cooperation. That's exactly what we will demonstrate and discuss as well today. To get a little bit an overview about the landscape of C-Roads, as already stated, 21 European countries are currently committed to CITS deployments, to CITS operations all across Europe. We have 54 cities that are actively contributing to our urban CITS working group. You see that we have a lot of associated countries that are either currently not undertaking any CITS deployments yet, On the other hand, there are as well countries linked to C-routes which are outside of Europe. For example, in Australia, Queensland and Victoria. On the other hand, when looking to the vehicle side, we currently already see 1.5 million of cars which are equipped with CITS. There are more vehicles equipped with CITS equipment, especially public transport vehicles. This will be one result and one point for a discussion also during this webinar. The platform itself, as already stated, that's the platform that brings together all the authorities and road operators. We are linking all the CITS deployments. We are gaining the insights from the deployments, looking on the insights, working on technical specifications based on our experiences in the real-world deployments. These technical specifications are as well public available via our website. Of course, we are doing cross-testing, and we are dealing and working on a hybrid communication mix, which is a mixture of short-range as well as long-range communication technologies. Just also a hint to our next webinar. The next webinar, we will focus on hybrid communications, what is directly meant with that. So there we will have a look on the technical details. But today, we really want to bring the cities to the forefront, and we would like to provide you the insights from the city side.